Okay, so what I have with me here today is one part of the twin pack of the 1,000 swabs. So there's two boxes that would come in there, and they each have 500 of the cotton swabs in them. This is the Equate brand, and it says that they are gentle and safe. They have a variety of uses. They're safe and hygienic and made of pure cotton. So the first thing that I want to start with this product is that, like it says on the box here, they have a variety of uses. This is very, very, very true. I use cotton swabs for pretty much everything. I know a lot of people are like, oh, don't use these to clean your ears, blah, 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 you know, all that type of stuff. But I use them to clean my ears, not the inner ear though. I use it to clean, you know, like where the fossa is, the concha, you know, the scapha, you know, all those parts of your ear, like the outer ear portion, not like behind my ear. I'll use it to clean behind my ear too, but I use it for mostly like still like the inner ear part, just around, not the inner ear, like where you stick it in to like clean, you know, wax out and things. I just use it for the outer portion, you know, to get the dirt and stuff. I also use these to, you know, when you have on nail polish and things like that, I will use it. I'll stick the little cotton swab into the, you know, the nail polish remover, the acetone and stuff like that, and take my nail polish off that way. I've used this to clean, you know, little scars and things like that with like alcohol or peroxide or things like that, and it's an easy way to clean like a smaller cut and things like that. I love how they are like, I love to use cotton swabs for literally everything. And one of my biggest pet peeves with cotton swabs are when they're flimsy, because then they're hard to use. And I cannot stand when cotton swabs bend and break and all those things when I'm trying to use it for whatever I'm using it for. And my favorite thing about these cotton swabs, I always look for cotton swabs that have like the, I don't know if you can see that, but they have like a paperish type feel to them, and they don't bend. Like, they bend, but like it's harder to bend them than it would be like the plastic kind. And I really like that, because when I'm, you know, cleaning my ears or using these for like nail polish or, you know, anything like that, like I don't want the cotton swab to bend while I'm using it, because then it makes it a lot harder to use the cotton swab, and it takes a lot more time for me to get whatever task done that I'm trying to accomplish. And I literally look for cotton swabs that look like that anytime I'm searching for cotton swabs. And it's just very easy to use the ones that have like the more paper, like the thick like paper like substance, you know, like you would find on one of those, like I guess like lollipop type things, not like the hard plastic, it's like the paper thing, you know. I like these because they were that two that came in a pack, and I know you can buy packs of like 6 and 4 and stuff like that, and you get more of them, but I just got the 2-pack, and I gave that pack to a friend, and we got these about a year ago, and I still have them. So there are a lot that come in here, and you can use one cotton swab. Since they're double-sided, you can use the cotton swab for like one cotton swab, like so they have like the double side, like I said, and so here like they have the double side like that, so you can use one cotton swab for 2 things. So you can use one side for taking off nail polish and the other one for, I don't know, like cleaning it up or something. And it's just I just like these cotton swabs a lot. And like I said, I've had them for a very long time because there are a lot that come in the pack. So that's really good. I like to use these to, you know, sometimes remove makeup, like eye makeup if I messed something up. And it's easy because, you know, they're very precise and they're small, so they get to whatever you need to get to whenever you're using them. I also like how like they grab so much of whatever product or something that you're trying to use. Like if I'm using it to clean my ear, I'll have to swipe maybe like 1 or 2 times and all the dirt is gone. If I'm like cleaning the nail polish off, I can use 1 cotton swab for like 2 nails and it'll take it off all. Like it'll take all of it off. Makeup, I can literally use it to clean both of my eyes, like if I messed up on like some eyeliner or something. It is for smaller projects, you know, like eyeliner and stuff like that, like so you can't take off like a full face of makeup with like 1 cotton swab, but you know, I just like using it for that. It's kind of a larger box, like runs like that. But I still would like, you know, you can like put some of these in like a jar or something and take them traveling with you and just make it simple like that. It doesn't have to be anything extravagant. Just take like a few with you, like in like a jar or something, and just make it simple because they are very nice to have around and you can use them for so many things. And I just really like using these. Like I said, I use them for everything. So again, these are the 1,000 pack. This was the twin pack of the Equate Cotton Swabs.